How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell. KXI89 be like, hey baby.
Coordinated monthly tests of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages wouldn't follow the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
110. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you of emergencies is being tested. Now, if this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you of emergencies is being tested. Now, if this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is the practice tornado warning for the statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. The National Weather Service has issued a practice tornado warning effective until 10:30 a.m. this morning for all counties in east central Florida. This includes Volusia Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Orange, Polk, Brevard, Osceola, Indian River, Martin, St. Lucie, and Okeechobee counties. Remember, a tornado warning means a tornado has been sighted or has been indicated on National Weather Service radar. If this were an actual warning, information would be included on the location of the tornado and the communities in its path. The message would also include safety actions that you would take to protect your life in a tornado threat. Once you have reached your shelter area, you may consider the drill over and resume normal activities. A statement terminating the drill will be issued around 10:30 a.m., but it will not be alarmed. Repeating, this is the warning portion of the statewide tornado drill. This is a drill. For more information, contact the National Weather Service Melbourne at 3212-550-212. To learn more about how to receive emergency alerts in your community, visit alertflorida.com. The 9 a.m. weather roundup. At Fort Pierce, under cloudy skies, temperature 55 degrees, dew point 53, humidity coming south. Seas 3 to 4 feet. This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXM-80 from Riverhead, New York. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island and Southeast New York, Nassau and Suffolk, and in Southern Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Once again, this was only a test. Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, in northern and central New Jersey. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for eastern Long Island. Today, sunny. Highs around 41. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, becoming southwest 5 to 10 miles per hour this afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. Alarms generated from station KXI 95 in Warsaw will be activated for the counties of Lynn, This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXM-80 from Riverhead, New York. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island and Southeast New York, Nassau and Suffolk, and in Southern Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Once again, this was only a test. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast. 32 at Bradley Field, 37 Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. East Central available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazard watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast New York: Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, bringing the chance of Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. Temperature: Hudson, Hinterton, Middlesex, Monmouth, Warwick, Somerset, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. This is a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device for WXL-37. We activate this alarm for the following counties: Sullivan, Ulster, Dutchess, Orange, Putnam. Device for WWH-33 state. We also activate the following counties in Connecticut: Litchfield, Fairfield, New Haven, and Hartford in New York, Dutchess and Putnam, and in Massachusetts. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook. Winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s.